In this tutorial, you will learn how to create eternity rings using a real finger size. You will build a complex design in an instant, and you will even take an amazing rendering out of it, everything using 2Shapes for Rhino. Under the Shanks tab, click on the Curve command. Select the ring region and size of your customer, European 52 for this tutorial. Click on the Confirm Changes button. Under the Diamonds tab, click on the Gems Creator command. On the caret field, type 0.1 and make sure the round shape and diamond gem type is selected. Click on the Add button. Select the gem and move it 9.8 mm over the ring curve using the green arrow of the gumball. Having the diamond selected, go under the Transform tab and click on the Array Polar command. Change copies to 20 and confirm. Select the diamonds and under the Stone Settings tab, select the Basket command. Select the standard element BA002 and click on Edit. Select the third option and change the mode to Circle. To adjust the basket settings to match your customer's ring size, lower the height field until the gem sets are barely above the ring curve. Change the diameter to 0.8, height to 1.9, over girdle to 0.3. Change to Straight Prongs mode. Click on Rails tab and disable the upper profile. To the lower rail profile, click on the Profile preview and in the Asset Selector dialog, select Asset 002. Click on the Confirm button. Select the gems and under the Stone Settings tab click on the Cutter command. Change the height top to 50, the size top to 35, and the height pavilion to 80. Confirm. Select all baskets. On the command prompt type group and press Enter. Now, under the Solid tab, click on the Boolean Difference command. Afterward, click on the baskets, press Enter, click on the cutters, and hit the Enter key again. Select the baskets and go under the Rendering and Animation toolbar. Inside Materials, under the Metals section you will find the Rose Gold 18K material, click on it to apply it. Next, select the diamond, and under the Gem category, click on the Diamond material. Under the Ground category, click on Basic Ground Reflection. Then move your cursor over the lower right corner of the viewport and click on the Ray Tracing icon. Set the perspective angle and distance you want your render to be. You can also copy the model and create 3 rings with different materials. Finally, set your preferred resolution and quality parameters, and click on the Render button. Please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can find more information at 2Shapes.com.